Hey, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen Traveling Life, and I got another unboxing video of an Amazon unboxing, you guys. So let's check it out and see what I ordered. Everything I order, you guys, I always place it down in the description down below. If you want to follow me more, you guys can go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button. As you guys know, it's Halloween time right now, so this is my scary Halloween cloak that I ordered, and looks like we're gonna need some help getting this open because it's wrapped tight. Or maybe not, you guys. Let's see if we can rip it open. If not, we're gonna have to grab something to get this open. It's wrapped tight, y'all. Oh, it's just taped up. It's taped. Y'all see me being lazy, not going, getting up to get nothing to open it up. Just gonna sit down here and try to rip off all this real tape, y'all. Man. So this is a Halloween scary hooded cloak. It ain't going, y'all. It ain't going. We need some help. So it's actually a 2-for-1. So you get 2 in 1. So I got this. I went with the purple and black. And it has a hood to come with it. So I got the hooded cloak. So you know we got to try this on, y'all. Front. Back. Then, the good thing about this one, like I said, you get 2 for 1, y'all. You get 2 for 1. Then this is the gray and black one. Can't beat that. You can't beat that. Got the hood. Now let's try them on, you guys. Come outside with me to try them on real quick.